So these are my last breeders. I'm letting them go because the business initially is not going well. So I will continue it in another time. So maybe it's not yet the time to pursue this business of fingerling catfish hatchery. So we will do it again in a matter of years. I'm not sure how long, but then I have to let go of this business because I'm only spending money. Money is not coming in. So I will continue the other business that's already is giving profits. It's hard to let go, but then I have to do it in order for me to save the money that is spent on their catfish food because they eat a lot. So that's our update on our catfish hatchery. Saying goodbye to my 2-year-old breeders, the last of them. I already disposed some of them last month, so I already decided to let them all go. So last 10 pieces I believe it's in here. So the other 6 is already been given to the neighbors. So this will be picked up by another friend of my mother. So eventually we will not have any catfish anymore here. We will only breed ornamental fishes. So thank you guys for watching and watching the older videos. I hope to continue this project soon if I have the capital and the capacity to do it. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless.